with the new head coach of Magnolia LA, Coach LA Tenorio. Coach, bago ko kamustahin yung draft pick mo, ikaw muna ang kakamustahin ko. How has the transition been for you?
Honestly, no, actually, syempre marami pa akong kailangan matutunan bilang isang coach. No? Again, I always tell a lot of people that, not necessarily, nakakapag-isip tayo habang naglalaro, but iba yung iba yung pagko-coach, no? Iba pa rin pag hawak mo yung bola, iba pagka tinuturuan mo yung mga players. But I'm really excited, no? It's another blessing, another chapter sa buhay ko na binigay sa akin na opportunity. So, I'll do my best. Ganun naman ako parati. As a player, I always do my best. And, as a coach also, I'll try to do my best. So.
Thank you, Coach LA. Hindi ka na namin aabalahin pa. You have more picks to select. Thank you so much once again. Now, Judd.